Most of us would enjoy sitting with a plate of hot, crispy snacks on a winter day or a rainy day. So how about some hot, crispy Mirchi Bajjis? And it's perfectly fine to indulge once in a while. Namaskaram. I'm Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on Munch and Mull. Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. The moment I saw these fresh organic green chilies from BioBasics, I decided I'm going to indulge in Mirchi Bajji to my heart's content. By the way, did you know that this chili bhaji has its origin in Jodhpur, Rajasthan? Jodhpur is known for the tastiest chili bhajis even today. Contrary to general opinion, green chilies are known to have a host of health benefits, but we may lose some of them in the process of deep frying. Nevertheless, here they are. Here are some cool, chilling chili facts. Capsaicin is the main bioactive compound in chili, which is responsible for its pungent taste and various health benefits. The research papers indicate that capsaicin does not stimulate but inhibits acid secretion. So chilies do not cause acidity either. On the other hand, it apparently stimulates alkali and protective mucus secretions in the stomach. Chilies contain high amounts of vitamin C and other vitamins such as vitamin A, B6, K and minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, copper, etc. It also plays a prominent role as an immunity booster for the management of cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, obesity and stops the spread of prostate cancer. So here are our ingredients to make Mirchi Bajji Street Style. I've taken about 8 big green chilies, 2 cups of besan or gram flour, 4 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, 1 teaspoon of ajwain or caraway seeds, half a teaspoon of baking soda, salt to taste and of course oil for frying. So here we go. First wash and dry the chilies and the first step is to make a slit in the chili. Here, just make a slit. So after making the slit, remove the seeds to the extent possible. See that the slit doesn't cut through. So to prepare the tamarind paste, you just soak a lemon-sized ball of tamarind in water for about half an hour. Remove the seeds and then puree it in the mixie. So now we've made the slit and removed the seeds. We'll just apply the tamarind paste inside. Repeat with all the chilies. The tamarind paste helps to reduce the pungency of the chili. So now let's start making the bhaji batter. I'm adding the besan or gram flour, rice flour, turmeric, ajwain or caraway seeds, baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, salt to taste. Give it a good mix and gradually add water and make a paste. The batter should not become very watery. Mix it well so that there are no lumps. Our batter is ready. See the consistency? It's neither too liquidy nor too thick. A dropping consistency. So here our bhaji batter is ready. All that is left is to coat these chilies with the batter. So here we go. Just dip it and coat it. Here I'm coating the next chili. And this will be deep fried. I have used cold pressed groundnut oil to fry these bhajis. You could use any oil of your choice and keep the oil in a kadhai for heating, and to check whether it is heated, just put a drop of the batter and it will start coming up. So that means the oil is ready, so we can start frying our bhajis. Keep the oil on a sim flame. Here. Turn it. So here now the bhaji is ready to be removed. They are golden brown. So we remove it. Here we go, the next batch. Here I go, my crispy chilli bhaji street style. Make it. Now that I have enjoyed eating this, should I feel guilty about it? Let's mull over. In my personal opinion, I feel it's absolutely okay and fine to indulge in oily snacks once in a while. But in case people are aggressive in terms of their choices where they want to avoid totally oily food, then there may be a time where they might undergo cravings and start binging on this, which might be counterproductive. So it's better to have something that you like once in a while. Now that we have enjoyed our oily mirchi bhajis, what can we do to burn those extra calories? It's so simple. Just go for some extra laps of walking, jogging, cycling, swimming and any other physical activity that you like. Enjoy life. Enjoy these knickknacks once in a while without feeling guilty. What are your thoughts about it? I would love to hear it. Do share them with me in the comment section below. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.